Preparing a prior year tax return using H&R Block Online. Preparing a tax return for your prior year is essential if you have missed your filings or need to correct any previous filings. H&R Block provides a convenient solution for this through their online platform, allowing you to easily navigate through the process. So for this, let's get started. Begin by visiting the H&R Block website and accessing the page dedicated to filing taxes from previous years. Go to the link that says H&R Block File Taxes from Previous Years. Once on the web page, familiarize yourself with the information provided regarding the process of preparing a prior year tax return using H&R Block Online. Sign in to your H&R Block Online account or create a new account if you haven't created yet. Follow the prompts provided to necessarily select the tax year for which you have to prepare a return. H&R Block's platform allows you to choose from your previous tax years. Once you have selected the desired year, H&R Block will guide you through the process of entering your tax information. This includes imputing income, deductions, credits, and any other relevant details for the specified tax year. Take advantage of your H&R Block's features and tools designed to streamline the tax preparation process. After entering all the necessary information, review your tax return and carefully encounter every accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied with your tax return, follow the prompts to file electronically using H&R Block Online. And this was everything you needed to know about preparing a prior year tax return.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.